black mold. It's one of the most toxic and overlooked household dangers in Bethesda, Maryland homes. If you've noticed dark, slimy spots on your bathroom ceiling, basement walls, or near your HVAC vents, that's not grime. That's black mold, and it can affect your home's air quality and your family's health. So how do you get rid of it fast? Here's how Bethesda homeowners can kill black mold in under 5 minutes using safe, simple ingredients. Step 1. Protect yourself. Put on gloves, and a mask. Mold spores can trigger coughing, headaches, and sinus irritation. Step 2. Mix your mold-killing solution. In a spray bottle, combine 1 part white vinegar and 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Add a few drops of tea tree oil. It's a natural antifungal and deodorizer. Step 3. Spray directly on the mold. Let it sit for about 5 minutes without wiping. That bubbling sound means it's breaking down the mold at its source. Step 4. Scrub and rinse. Use a stiff brush to remove residue, then dry the area completely. Mold thrives in damp Bethesda basements. Moisture control is essential. Step 5. Prevent it from coming back. Fix leaks, improve ventilation, and use a dehumidifier during humid Maryland summers. You just eliminated black mold safely, quickly, and effectively. If you suspect hidden mold or want peace of mind about your home's air quality, contact MD Mold Testing, your local Bethesda mold inspection and testing experts. Visit mdmoldtesting.com or call 301-717-1454. And for your free home safety guide, comment "mold free" below. We'll send it right to you.